Here are some highlights from the January issue of Cleaner magazine. Brought to you by Allan J. Coleman. Hear the story of Shane Wyant, who was fixing machines at age 9. Today, he runs the industry's most trusted service shop. Allan J. Coleman is the oldest name in the business. They have the parts you need when you need them, and their service department is second to none. Join the 4,700-plus customers who trusted Allan J. Coleman to service their tools last year. Learn more at allanjcoleman.com and read the interview on page 42. When a 15-inch main collapsed under a major highway, traditional contractors walked away, calling it a total loss. See how Shane Jacobson and his team used bridge patching to save the city $750,000 and avoid a public works nightmare. From high-risk rail crossings to precision UV-cured lining, discover why this Midwest crew takes the jobs others won't touch. Dave Russell spent decades using non-destructive testing to inspect oil pipelines and pressure vessels. Now, he's bringing that same zero-failure mindset to the water industry. Discover how Pica Corp uses electromagnetic waves to measure pipe wall thickness through sludge and scale, identifying corrosion with up to 95% accuracy. A jetting truck can be your greatest asset or a six-figure yard ornament. We break down the frequency of use math to help you decide if you should own the machine or just rent the solution. Trenchless is the name of the game at the NASTT No Dig Show. From horizontal directional drilling to advanced pipe rehab, the No Dig Show is where you need to be if you do trenchless. Whether it's a magnetic lifter that handles damaged covers with ease, or a top hat leveler that fixes depressed manholes in under 2 minutes, having the right tools makes all the difference. Service Titan Atlas is an AI co-pilot that automates dispatching, reporting, and marketing tasks through simple voice or text commands. All this and more is in the latest issue of Cleaner, free for qualified readers. Thank you for watching, and thank you for reading Cleaner magazine. See you next month.